Well, it beat us. Getting pummeled. Barely. This isn't even on right. Securely. Oh, gosh. Oh, well. We'll have to do. Oh, golly. This is not easy on a freaking incline. Are you there?
Yep.
I'm ready. Bill had a little delay. He had to go use the bathroom. Over there.
Yeah, that's where I put this rubber suit on. Make sure I did that.
Here comes a trailer. We better get going. No cell service, so I couldn't check to see what the radar looked like.
Well, we made the right call to put it on.
Yeah, I agree. Oh my gosh, our luck never fails. We rushed to put on the rain gear.
Well, if we wouldn't have put that rain gear on, we would have been soaked to the bone.
That's true. That's true.
Did it even rain here?
Yeah, the road's wet.
Yeah.
Well, we might hit more. It's still dark up there. Yeah, it looks dark up there. Still. I don't know if we'll run into it, but.
It'll be okay. We got the rain gear on.
Yeah.
This one looks a little... Oh, it's not as bad as I thought.
There's more rafters.
Yeah.
They waved, but I couldn't wave back.
I'm too busy riding.
Me too.
It says 30. I'm going to shoot for maybe 40.
30. I'm in fourth though.
Nice. I like it. Needs buffalo.
Not in the road though. Watch for wildlife on all roads. We passed an elk earlier. I was really afraid that elk was going to shoot across the road in front of me. I said, is that a real deer? Well, I saw it way ahead, and Bill said, yes, it's real. I think that's an elk. It was an elk. It was big. It was real close to to the road.